Hi, good day to my future employer. I'm Janice Padilla. I'm 40 years old from Zamboanga, Philippines. I'm married and blessed with two kids, ages 15 and 14. I'm a high school grad. Way back 2016, I've been working in Saudi for almost 2 years and then in Kuwait for almost 5 years. I have extensive experience in handling children and toddlers. I can assist them in feeding, preparing nutritious meals and snacks, bathing, dressing, and diaper changing, playing and engaging in educational activities, teaching them good manners and good habits. I always ensure that children are safe, happy, and well cared for. I play with them and teaching new things. Make sure the house is always clean, organized, and comfortable for everyone. My future employer, I am trustworthy, hardworking, flexible, and patient, and willing to learn and follow instruction. I am excited about the opportunity to work with kind and respectful employer. I'll do my best to do all my duties. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope to hear from you soon.